अस्सलाम वालेकुम प्यारे हुजूर।
वालेकुम सलाम। क्या हाल है?
मैं ठीक हूँ।
क्या फरमाते हो?
My name is Lisa Emil. I'm Mukfino and I'm from the Birmingham West Jamaat. Huzur, in the past we have seen examples of prophets and khulafa who, as well as being religious leaders, also had political authority. My question is, if you were given the opportunity to have political authority, would you accept it?
You see, in the past, not all the prophets were given political authorities. In Islam, the Holy Prophet ﷺ was the prophet who had the religious authority, final of the prophets, and political authority, and he was the head of the state as well after migrating to Medina. Not before that time. When he was in Makkah, he was persecuted and being tortured very brutally, right? He and his companion. So, and then after his demise, 4 rightly guided Khulafai Rashidin, also had the political authorities. And later on, the system of Khilafat was not as fair as it should be, or as it should have to be, right? But now, in the time of the Prophet Muhammad, neither Prophet Muhammad as a prophet, of subordinate prophet of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, nor his Khulafa will have that political authorities. All the countries will be run by their political governments, or by their governments to run their affairs, right? And Khalifa of the time will be the spiritual head of those countries. This is why it is written in the Quran that if 2 Muslim countries, 2 Muslim parties fight with each other, then try to settle down their matters. And if they stop fighting, then well and good. Otherwise, the person who is committing cruelty, making unfair attack on the neighboring country or the Muslim country, then stop his hands by force. And the Khalifa of the time will ask the other governments that you will do it. So the Khalifa of the time now will only be the spiritual leader. He has nothing to do with the politics of the country. But the heads of the states will seek guidance from the Khalifa of the time. Right?
Jazakallah Huzur.